Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. We are constructing exercise problems of construction chapter. Already we have completed 3 problems. In today's session, let us construct 4th problem. Coming to the question. Construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 cm and altitude or height is 4 cm, and then another triangle whose sides are 1.5. So it is in a mixed form. So convert into proper fraction. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 it is 3. 3 by 2 times the corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. So now first we have to construct an isosceles triangle, children. First we need to construct an isosceles triangle A, B, C whose base is 8 cm and height altitude is 4 cm. Let us start to construct, children. First draw a line segment BC equal to 8 cm. BC equal to 8 cm. Now we have to draw height of a triangle AM equal to 4 cm. Now how to draw, children? We have to draw perpendicular bisector of BC. How to construct perpendicular bisector of BC? Keep your compass on B. Take more than half of BC measurement and draw up one arc and down one arc. Then same measurement, keep your compass on C, cut that arcs. Now where the two arcs you have to join. You have to join those two arcs. Let it intersect BC at M. Now M is the midpoint of BC. If you measure BC equal to 4 cm you will get, and MC also you will get 4 cm. Now we have to draw height of the triangle. Take 4 cm as measurement. Then keep your compass on point M. Keep your compass on point M and draw one arc like this. Now you name that point as A. Now we have to join AB and join AC. Now ABC is a required isosceles triangle of side base 8 cm and height 4 cm. Next step, draw any ray BX on BC. Don't draw like the children, this is 90 degree. You have to draw a ray BX making acute angle with the BC. So draw one ray BX making acute angle with BC. Next what we have to do? See what is the ratio? 3 by 2. So greater number is 3. Now we have to locate 3 points on ray BX. Keep your compass on B. Any measurement you can take. Draw 3 arcs. 1. From that arc, another arc you draw. 2. And one more arc. 3. Name that arcs as B1, B2 and B3. Now next step. Which number is in the denominator? 2. And you have to connect B2 to C. Now we have to construct a line at B2 which is parallel to B2C. How to construct, children? Take compass. Any measurement you take and keep your compass on B2, draw one arc like this. Then same measurement, keep your compass on B3, draw another arc. Now measure the angle formed between these two lines. measure the angle and same angle you are going to construct at B3. So keep your compass on that arc and cut that first arc. Now we have to join that point and B3. Now you have to extend the bay, children. Let it intersect base at C dash. Now we have to draw a line at C dash which is parallel to AC. Again same procedure. Take your compass, keep your compass on C, draw one arc like this. Again keep your compass on C dash, draw another arc like this. Now you have to measure this angle, same angle you have to construct here at C dash. Now measure the angle and keep your compass on that arc and cut that arc. Now we have to join C dash and this point, let it intersect AB at A dash. So we have to join this C dash and this point. Let it intersect at A dash. Now side AB also please extend, children. Now here you are finding point. That point you name that as A dash. Let me join like this. It's clear for you. A dash, B, C dash is similar to given triangle ABC. A dash, triangle A dash, B, C dash is similar to given triangle ABC. Now let us write justification. How to write, what is the justification, children? Justification. A dash B by AB equal to B C dash by BC equal to A dash C dash divided by AC equal to, what is the ratio? It is 3/2. How we can prove, children? Triangle A dash B C dash, and we have to take triangle ABC in two triangles. Angle ACB equal to angle A dash C dash B, because AC is parallel to A dash C dash. So these two angles are corresponding angles. And angle B equal to angle B, common angle. So you can write by AA similarity criteria, triangle A dash B C dash is similar to triangle ABC. Similarly, down two triangles you have to take, B C dash B3 and B C B2. We have to prove these two triangles are similar triangles. How will you prove, children? Now in triangle BC B2 and triangle BC dash B3, angle CB2B equal to angle C dash B3B, because they are corresponding angles. Now by construction, CB2 is parallel to C dash B3. If these two lines are parallel, then their corresponding angles are equal. And angle B equal to angle B is a common angle. So these two triangles are similar triangle. BC dash B3 is similar to triangle BC B2. Now if they are similar, then corresponding sides are proportion. You can write BC dash by BC equal to BB3 by BB2. So BB3, how many units are there, children? 3. BB2, it is 2. So you can write A dash B by AB equal to BC dash by BC equal to BB3 equal to how much it is? 3. So BB2 equal to how much? 2. In question number 2, I have explained how to write steps for justification. Please watch the video using link provided in the description. If you like our video, please press like button and do subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you.